We have been spending our time in Costa Rica for the past 2 weeks, and we have been traveling all around different parts of the country to be able to see what kind of biodiversity this country offers, as well as how ecosystems can vary from location to location, even if they're only a couple of miles apart.
We got to go on guided tours and hikes where the native flora and fauna are shown to us by guides, and the money that we spend and other tourists spend on those excursions actually go to preserving the environment as well as boosting a large part of Costa Rica's economy. The highlights for me have been just seeing the many different zones in Costa Rica, because within the span of 3 days we've been up in the top of a cloud forest, and then we go back down to a lowland tropical area, and right now we're somewhere in between, and it's just cool to see all the different types of wildlife and plants in those different areas.
We've seen so many different types of species here, whether that's in birds or plants or insects or mammals. These are some of the most diverse areas on the planet, and so you can really kind of get to see how they compare between Kentucky and Costa Rica, and that's been really cool for us to kind of be able to see how these forests and these ecosystems are the same, but yet they're also very, very different.
It's good to compare what they know about in Kentucky and our natural resource issues with those in Costa Rica. They face some similar problems to those issues that we have in Kentucky, but their solutions are sometimes different. So it offers an entirely new perspective.
I want them to be able to remember what it felt like and what it sounded like to be at 11,000 feet in the Talamanca Mountains. What it feels like to find wildlife and to spot them and to watch mammals in the wild. Yeah, we have a lot of academic themes, but one of the things I do want them to take away is the experience of being in all of these places.